After using Huevia's Botanical Lip Tint for several weeks, I can honestly say it has become one of my favorite beauty products. From the very first application, I noticed how lightweight and moisturizing the formula felt. Unlike many lip tints that can leave lips feeling dry or flaky, this one keeps my lips feeling soft, smooth, and comfortable throughout the day. The botanical-inspired formula gives it a nourishing feel, making it perfect for everyday wear. What impressed me the most is the beautiful, natural-looking color payoff. Instead of looking heavy or overly glossy, it enhances my natural lip color with a fresh, healthy finish that suits both casual outings and more formal occasions. The tint builds evenly without becoming patchy, and the color lasts surprisingly well through drinks and light meals. Even as it fades, it leaves behind a soft, flattering stain that still looks polished. The packaging is sleek, compact, and convenient to carry in a handbag or pocket, making touch-ups quick and effortless whenever needed. The applicator provides smooth, precise coverage, allowing me to achieve an even finish in just a few seconds. I also appreciate that the formula doesn't feel sticky or greasy, which makes it comfortable enough to wear all day long. Another feature I really appreciate is how versatile this lip tint is. Whether I want a subtle wash of color for a natural daytime look or a deeper shade by applying an extra layer, it performs beautifully every time. It pairs well with minimal makeup while also complementing a full glam look, making it an incredibly versatile addition to my beauty routine. Overall, Huevia has exceeded my expectations in every way. The combination of hydration, comfortable wear, elegant color, and reliable performance makes this lip tint stand out from many others I've tried. It feels like a premium product at every step, from application to lasting results. I would happily recommend Huevia to anyone searching for a high-quality lip tint that delivers beautiful, natural-looking color while keeping lips soft, healthy, and comfortable all day. It has definitely earned a permanent place in my daily makeup collection, and I look forward to trying more products from the brand in the future.